Hi guys, Anne Marie here with AMR Creative. So I wanted to test out this sushi making kit. I've never made sushi before, but I love sushi and I thought, you know what? It's time I learn how to make it. So I bought this kit. I'm really excited about it. Let's give it a go. All right, so we have the little bamboo rolling thing, and then we've got this little spatula, which I guess I'll learn what those are for in a second. What I'm guessing is chopsticks. And this would make a great gift. If you want to get somebody something really unique, I think this would be really cute. All right, I'm not going to take these out, but set of chopsticks. Looks like there are 4 in here. That's cool. Then we've got this guy for dicing and chopping, I suppose. And then we have the actual sushi compression tube ebook on how to do it. So I'm guessing I need to watch that. And then we've got this here, which is covered. So I'm guessing is sharp. Maybe not. No, not that sharp. Whatever that thing is. I don't know. See, you can tell I've never made sushi before. And then there's this guy. I'm not going to open that. This guy here, whatever that thing is. Okay, we'll find out. And then, oh, 2 more things. Okay, wow, there's a ton of stuff in here. This is cool. Like I said, I think this would make a great gift. Okay, this seems like it might be sharp. Yes, knife. Wow, I didn't know that was in there. Amazing. Okay, we're going to gently put that back. And then the cutest thing ever. Cats. Look. I don't know why, but they're in here. They're so cute. Are they just like decoration or something? Look at that. Oh, that's so adorable. Little porcelain cats. So cute. Okay. I like it. I like it. All right. So that's the whole kit. Now I'm going to go make some sushi. Hopefully that is edible. We'll see. If it's not the kit's fault because this thing is stacked. There is a ton of stuff that should make me good. We'll see. I didn't do that bad. It's shrimp, cucumber, and carrot.